Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to open a Bank of America account online. So let's get started. So now here we are on Bank of America, which is bankofamerica.com. So once you're here, what you want to do is you want to click here on checking, and then you have your student banking, business checking, Bank of America, Advantage Banking, and so on, depending on the account that you would want to open. You also have your savings account right here, online banking, mobile banking, and so on. So now once you are ready to open an account, right here is that you want to click here on open an account today. If this is one of these accounts that you want to open, or if it's savings, then you want to click here. Next, so in this tutorial, we'll just be going with this one right here, open an account today. And then from here, you can now choose on which account you would like to open. In my case, I'll just go for the Safe Balance Banking, for example. So in here, in the application process, you would need to provide your zip code first so that they would be able to give you an accurate rate and fee information for your location. In my case, I'll just go with this one and click on go. And after that, you will now be able to start the process. So you can add a savings account to your Bank of America Advantage Safe Balance Banking account. So you can choose yes, or if you only want Bank of America, a Safe Balance Banking account, and so on. And you have your code right here. If you have that, you can just put that right here. And then once you're all done, you can also check this. If you are a Bank of America online banking customer already, then they will pre-fill and customize your application to save time. Then once you're all good with this one, click on go to application. I'm just gonna select this right there, go to application. And then you basically be providing your basic informations right here. So you would need to sign in, or if you don't have an account yet, you can just continue as the guest. And then as you can see right here, you would need to provide your personal information. So all of these are personal, and your employment and finances right here. And if you would want to add a co-applicant, then you can add that right here, or you can save it for later. And then after that, you'd need to set up your account, and then the terms and condition right here, and to review and submit. Basically, all of these are just personal information. There is nothing hard about this one because it's your personal information. And after you have completed these steps right here, a Bank of America will now send you an instruction on what you can do next, about your account details and how you're going to receive your card if there is one, and so on. So yeah, that is basically it on how you can open a Bank of America account here online. Thank you for watching.